Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Today is Monday, July 2nd, 2012. It's about 2 p.m. here in New York. This will be a brief 10-minute video on how to use Jason Bond Picks as a premium subscriber. So first things first, how do you become a premium subscriber? Well, you have to be interested in trading to begin with. And if you are, you simply click on this link here and you pay $297 per quarter, and I assure you, you will get your money's worth out of my service. Not only from the swing trades, but from the day trades and the long-term picks. So I am a swing trader. It's what I've built this service on. I've been doing it for about 15 months since I left public education to teach on Wall Street. I was a New York State teacher for over 10 years, and now I'm simply doing the same thing, but with adults on Wall Street, and I absolutely love it. And it works. My system works, which is why I was confident walking away from a 10-year career in public schools. With that in mind, I've designed the website so that it's easy to follow. I teach no different than I did when I was in public schools. I create lessons, I lead by example, and I try to help customers build their portfolios. All right, so what is a swing trade? It's a 1 to 4 day hold time. We are buying with the hope of capturing 5 to 10% within 4 days. If I label a trade swing long, it's a 1 to 10 or 1 to 20 day hold time. Okay? A day trade, right, which is headed by lead moderator Luke, is where you go to cash before the market closes. So the market's open from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. A day trade is when you're buying and selling, hoping to capture gains within the day. A swing trade, 1 to 4 days. A long-term trade could be up to 12 months. The core of the service is swing trades, and I send 3 to 5 swing trade alerts every week to all subscribers through chat, text, and email at the same time and in real time. The moment I make a move, I alert subscribers of the buy and the sell. The day trades are chat-based only, and again, it's run by head moderator Luke. The long-term trades maybe once a month. We just started this program. It's called Bond Notes. These are the core services at Jason Bond Picks. And again, I specialize in the swing trades. It's my favorite way to trade because you do not need to be chained to your computer. I just made over $10,000 on ATPG today, okay? ATP Oil and Gas. Alerted at $3.12 4 days ago. Sold today for over $10,000. It's currently trading above $4. It hit a high of 415. 312 to 415, 4 days later, that's $1 per share, and I made over $10,000. You can see how subscribers have already responded with their profit on ATPG. Everybody's profit point is going to be different depending on how much you bet. But the goal of Jason Bond Picks is 5 to 10% rinse and repeat. And if we get a winner like we did with KWK last week, up over 100% from the alert currently, all right, in just 11 days, or ATPG where it runs 30% in 4 days, we're going to let them ride a little if we can. But the idea is to constantly pay yourself and roll the money over. Now you'll see here that I have a free blog. Everybody can access this content, paid or free subscriber. But you will only see these categories once you become a paid subscriber. So again, you need to click on that button, sign up with a Visa card, and you're in the program for 3 months. I assure you, even if you don't have a brokerage account, if you simply study my material, it'll be the best $297 you've spent for a 3-month educational package on Wall Street. But don't take my word for it. Read up on all the testimonials. Simply click on that link right there. I've been at this for 15 months and I'm going to be at this for a long time. You'll see what my customers have to say. If you are a customer, write in. I'd love to add it there. Okay, so how to use the service. What do I do? Well, every night between the hours of 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and 9 p.m., I'm creating content, blog posts, watch lists, video lessons. We're doing webinars. We have classes. We break down day trading, swing trading, and long-term trading. Swing trading is my favorite, and it's easier to do than day trading. If you're new, this is where you start, and then you graduate to day trades. Again, run by Luke, who has well over a decade worth of day trading experience. He's a fantastic teacher. Retired from the military, one of the best day traders I've ever met, and I guarantee you, you will love this part of my service. This is my core, and it is my favorite way to trade. But a lot of my clients love to day trade also, and it's a wonderful way to supplement the swing trades and the long-term trades. These are real alerts, alerts we're putting our money into, not, hey, we like it here, and good luck, and a month later if it goes up, I congratulate you. These are trades we are placing money into. All of the moderators, if you check the Meet the Moderators tab, they are real traders, and they are putting money into their ideas. We focus on stocks between 25 cents and $10, primarily on the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, or Amex. These are listed companies. I'm very passionate about trading real stocks with real potential that have been washed out and have the chance at bouncing 20-30%. And we just try and jump on that train and capture 10% and move to the next train. That's what the swing trade service is about. The day trade service, I won't go into detail. Start as a swing trader, graduate to also doing day trades. Long-term trades, that's self-explanatory. We buy, we hold, we sell higher. Now, if you go to learn more and simply click on the Quick Start Guide, it talks a little bit more in detail about each of these services. So the blog is free. The swing trades are premium. Day trades and long-term trades are included with the swing trades. I used to charge $497 per quarter for bond day trades, and there were, in 2 months, over 150 clients in that program. I've combined them because it was too much work for me to keep up with running bond swing trades, bond day trades, and hoping to start my bond long-term trades. So instead of creating 3 programs in which I have 3 different price points, I've combined them all because, to be quite honest, a day trade can become an excellent swing trade. They're very closely connected, and after separating them for 3 months, I did not see a reason to have them apart. So what was $297 a quarter for bond swing trades and $497 a quarter for bond day trades, and I was going to charge $797 for the year on bond notes, is all combined in one service right now for $297. I just made this move in late June. Today is July 2nd. The price of my combined service is going up. But right now, it is all at $297. I cannot guarantee you that it will stay at that price. Trust me, there were plenty of people paying $497 for this service right here and $297 for this service right here. This is one of the best deals going on Wall Street. I'm not pitching you on anything. I am telling you there was 150 people in this program in about 2 to 3 months' time. There are a ton of people in this program, and I was going to make this another separate program. But like I said, I can't keep up with all 3. So I combined them, and you can get them at $297 a quarter, and you are locked at that price for good. Once it goes up, do not email me to get in at the other price. It happens all the time. The only reason it's at $297 right now is because I'm giving people an opportunity to jump in where everybody else is at. And then I'm combining the 2. It's not going to be $800 a quarter, but it's certainly not going to be $297 a quarter forever. We're offering too much And we give all of our entries and exits on swing trades, day trades, and long-term trades. That's something that most newsletters are not doing. All right, with that in mind, bond swing trades, my portfolio, you can check it. Each night I update the portfolio with portfolio analysis, and then I send that blog post to subscribers. There's a master watch list of about 50 small caps that I love to swing trade. These are volatile stocks with market caps between 50 million and 2 billion. They have a high beta, preferably above 2. They have a history of swinging up and down the chart, and when the timing is right, we move in for the kill and try and capture 10, 20%, and then roll our money over. From the master watch list, I am creating a daily watch list, and I send it out to subscribers. I recap the previous day's market, what I think the market is going to do the following day, and what stocks we might want to be considering from the master watch list or my other master watch lists in eTrade Pro. Then we, at times, will publish a short watch list. If I think there's a good short opportunity in the market, something that's overbought or touted and likely to fall, I'll put it into a watch list and email it out to subscribers. Account builders. These aren't necessarily swing trade alerts. These are stocks, usually around 25 cents to $1, with liquidity and a pattern that fits video lessons 1 or 2 and could help people with smaller accounts, like a $1,000 E-Trade account, grow their account. That's why they're called account builders. We're applying everything from video lesson number 1 and 2, but we're focusing on stocks between 25 cents and $1. I still prefer that they're on a listed exchange, or a major exchange, I should say. The New York Stock Exchange, the Amex, or the NASDAQ. There's a how-to section, teaches you some things about navigating the website. We do bi-weekly webinars. Sometimes we'll do weekly webinars during the winter months. Sometimes we'll do a webinar on a Saturday. We're constantly working as a group to beat the street. And I know you're going to love this service. Now, SMS text sign up, that's for the Swing Trade subscribers only. If you want the alerts to your phone so you don't have to be chained to your computer, this is for you. Case in point, if we scroll right down here, I believe there's a testimonial of a subscriber who says he was not even watching the market this morning. Took vacation days today and tomorrow before the 4th and was outside working, had not even thought about the market once this morning. Got your text on ATPG and scrambled. Averaged in 3K at 340, out at 410, $2,100. Talk about vacation cheddar. Danny wasn't even watching the market this morning. It's my job to watch the market for my subscribers. He's enjoying his vacation time in the yard with his family, and I'll let him know if I think it's time to move on with the trade. And we did exactly that. He realized 70 cents per share in very little time and made $2,100. That's a good weekly paycheck, let alone one trade. This is what we do. So at 7 a.m., this is my work schedule. No different than when I was teaching in public schools. I check into the office. I'm in here 5, 6, 7 a.m. every morning, okay, doing the following things. At 8 a.m., I'm in the chat. At 9:30, we're off and trading. Swing trades, day trades. All right? At lunch, we do midday chart play. I jump on the mic, and we take a look at all of the chart setups that could become potential swing trades. And when appropriate, I'll email subscribers an afternoon update to let them know about any potential positions I'm looking to move on. I didn't send an update today because I'm not looking at anything right now, so I'm not going to waste my subscribers' time just to send them an email. At 4 o'clock, boom, punch the time card, jump out of chat, and start looking for trades. Between 4 and 9, I do blog posts, watch lists, video lessons. We have webinars. Post it all to the website, and then email the content to subscribers. Check the watch list, watch the video lessons, and the goal here is to be preparing for the following day, the night before. What trades are we looking to potentially enter? Rinse and repeat. Blog posts support the material we're covering. Video lessons help refine the material we're covering. It's all put into one program, nice and neat. And then we do the same thing with day trades, but there are less categories because day trading is chat-based only, and it's more advanced. You learn the foundation, all right, so you build your foundation here, and then you build your house here. Long-term trades, like I said, easy. We spot something that we think could run for 6 months. I'm going to do an executive summary on it, post it here, let you know what my entry was or is, and you can follow if you'd like. You can mirror any of these services. Day trading is the hardest to mirror because instead of looking for 50 cents or $1 per share profit, day traders are looking for 10 cents, 20 cents per share profit. So you're momentum trading, and trust me, this is something that I'm confident we can teach you how to do. So the first thing I would do is watch video lesson number 1. That is the first thing I would do, okay? Then I would watch video lesson number 2, 3, and 4. That's the core strategy. And it can be applied to day trades as well, but we have more advanced tactics under the day trade content. The first thing I would do is that. But before I went any further, make sure you're getting the daily emails. Make sure you're getting the text messages. If you're not receiving text message and you signed up, it's probably because you have Sprint and your short codes are blocked. If you have Metro PCS, it won't work. You need to get a better provider. I shouldn't say better, a different provider. Metro PCS simply does not offer good SMS text on short codes. So Sprint, make sure your short codes aren't blocked. Metro PCS, move to AT&T or Verizon. And if you have a period in your email before the @ symbol, it's going to throw off the integration and you won't be able to sign up through this form. So just email me your phone number, your country, and I will do it manually. Again, if you have a period before the @ symbol in your email, so something like jason.bond@gmail.com, it's going to throw off the integration. Additionally, if you have a period after the @ symbol other than the .com, that's going to throw off the integration as well. So you can sign up here yourself, but if it doesn't work and it says email is invalid, just contact me. Real easy. Contact Jason or email me, jason@jasonbondpicks.com, and I will get back to you right away and we'll get you set up. Meet the moderators, Luke, Matt, and Otto. Luke is the resident day trader. Matt and Otto specialize in swing trading, like myself. We have chat room guidelines. Our chat room is not for kids. This is a professional service. These are adult subscribers, clients who are looking to build their portfolio, not talk about something that interests you that has nothing to do with the market. If you want to talk about something that has nothing to do with the market, go into the coffee lounge. I will show you the chat in one moment. If you want to see my multi-monitor setup, or hear my first radio interview, or check the calendar, you can do all of the following under Learn More. This content here is free for everyone. I have an affiliate program. I will pay you 30% for any referrals, I shouldn't say referrals, for any customers you bring my way. And it is recurring. So that's $100 per quarter for as long as they subscribe. 3 referrals pays for your subscription. I have people who are on pace to make $25,000 to $30,000 a year off the affiliate program right now. Simply by being a customer and sending business my way, they're on pace to make $25,000 to $30,000 worth of residual and recurring income simply by recommending my service. If you think I have talent, if you think my service is worth your $100 per month or $300 per quarter, share it with your friends and family. Use your affiliate link. You will not only get free service to Jason Bond Picks, but you will also get paid for your efforts if you earn more than 3 affiliates. Read up on that. All right, so let's jump in the chat room. I'm going to open it up right here. Oops. Let me close that. Give me 1 second here. Technical difficulty. There we go. had it prepped, but it timed me out. All right, so there's about 300, 350 people in my chat room on a regular basis. We started this with about 10. The service has grown considerably. You do not need to be in the chat to follow the swing trade alerts. So here's the chat room. We're streaming video. This is from Luke's screen. You can see the moderators up here. Jason Bond, Luke, Matt. Otto isn't here right now. Customers, 335. We keep the general chat clean. If it's not good for everyone, take it to the coffee lounge. You don't see a history here because I just logged in. These are day trade alerts made by Luke. He's the resident day trader. He's sharing his scanner. We're streaming a trading alert scanner. We're constantly engaging customers through the use of microphone as well as data. This isn't your normal HTML chat room. This is advanced software. I'll share my screen. Luke will share his screen. Matt will share his screen when appropriate. We're constantly trying to find better tools to beat the street. I believe that this is one of the best chats on the internet, and that's why in just over a year's time, I've grown it from a handful of subscribers to over 335 to 350 in the chat on a regular basis, and that's just the chat-based customers. With swing trading, you do not need to be in the chat if you don't want to, because I will send you the alert to your cell phone, and you can download your trading platform to that same smartphone and make your bets. All right? For day trading, you have to be in the chat because things happen too fast. Here are the last 10 announcements. These are Luke's day trades. Now, there are probably 50 to 60 already indexed today. When you log in, you'll only see 10. I've put in a custom request to have the announcement tab show the last 100. If I can get that taken care of, when you log in any time of day, you will see all of the day trades that Luke or I have made. Day trades come with one ring. So you'll see for my account, I can send an announcement and there is one ring. Swing trades come with multiple rings, okay? So I click that and we'll just do a test. This is what a swing trade would look like. And then the customer can turn the alert off. This way, if you're not watching your computer but you're in chat, you can get a sound alert. If it's one ring, you know it's a day trade. If it's multiple rings, you know it's a swing trade. Not only that, but you'll see a visual. If you were in the general chat, this highlighted bar will pop up. And you will know that a swing trade through the green highlight has been initiated. It goes at the same time by SMS text and email. So I'm giving 3 forms of communication to meet all of my subscribers' needs. Again, Luke's trades here, or if I do a day trade, it will be one ring. Mine are in green, Luke's are in blue. Username is, I forget what his color, Matt is purple, okay? Username is, let's say, red, okay? So we all have our own. For the service for Jason Bond picks, 3 to 5 of these will go each week. If the market is off, I might do 2 to 3. If the market is strong, I might do 5 to 7. And that's how the service works. So to participate in the day trades, not only do you need the educational background and a firm understanding of swing trading, but you need to be in the chat room. This is a product, like I said before, that I offered at $4.97 a quarter. I had 2 of these chats, okay? And now we've combined the 2, swing trades and day trades. all the trades go off here. They're indexed throughout the day. If I make a day trade, because I am the resident swing trader, I will preface it with day trade. And do one ring. So now you know that a day trade has been initiated, and I plan to sell this before the close of the market. Whereas a swing trade will go out with a continuous ring and by SMS, text, and email. That's pretty much the nuts and bolts of my service. I'll let you navigate it from there, but to have access to all of that, you need to sign up here. Once you've signed up, you can check your subscriptions. You can check your affiliate statistics to see how much money you're making. You can edit your profile, and you can log out. Chat, bond day trades, content, bond swing trades, content, bond notes. What I can tell you is that video lesson number 1 is what the core of my service is built on and what I'm looking for. I just hit an $11,000 win on KWK playing video lesson number 1. 11,000. I turned right around the very next week and hit almost $11,000 again on video lesson number 1. I pay myself, and then I look to rinse and repeat. I hope this helps you understand what my service is about. Feel free to email me and ask clarifying questions. Jason@jasonbondpicks.com. Jump in the chat, check us out. But to participate in the swing trades, you do not have to be in the chat unless you want to. I'd love to have you in there. But again, all alerts go by chat, text, and email. Got to be in the chat for the day trades. And these go out far and few between, but when we find a good long-term hold, like ARNA 6 months ago at $1.27 when I recommended it, or Glue Mobile under $2, now at $5, there'll be an executive summary or a research report, if you will, and an email and an alert, and then a hold time of 1 month to a year. We won't do this a lot, but we do 3 to 5 of these every week and a lot of these daily. Hopefully that makes sense to you. I hope you'll be a customer for a long, long time. If you're not a customer, email me if you have any questions, like I said. Take it easy, everybody. I'm going to get out of here. And I hope you're having an excellent start to your summer.